If you clicked on this video, you're probably a minimalist girly like me, which means you want less is more, you want products that do the job. I literally pulled 5, which was really hard for me because I realized I generally have at least 10 or 11 products on a normal day. And I realize if you're somebody who is minimalist, you probably just want a few products that get the job done. You don't want to put a lot of time and effort into it, and you just want good products that work well together that take you no time. So that's what inspired this makeup video. So if that is you, please keep watching and I'll show you how I got this really easy natural makeup look. This is the Tinted Hueguard 3-in-1 mineral sunscreen. So it's a moisturizer, a primer, and an SPF. If we are doing minimal, we need one product that does literally everything. It leaves 0 white cast, it leaves you a subtle glow, and again, it's a primer, so it's gonna work so perfectly under makeup. This is a mineral 18.23% zinc oxide, which in my opinion is incredible. This is the NATASHA DENONA concealer. I'm in color N6 and it's one of my favorites because you don't need to set it. It is self-setting and it covers up a lot. Keep in mind that I am color neutral. I feel like a lot of people ask what color I am and my undertone is neutral, so it's not warm, it's not cool, it's neutral. I'm just going to use this concealer as my foundation. So literally just everywhere, and then I'm gonna buff it in with my brush and see how that looks. And the thing about concealers versus foundations or tints is that it's more concentrated. The feeling of it is a lot less liquidy, so it can be a little bit heavy if you're not careful. If you have really good hydrated skin, which we should have from using this tinted base, then we should be good to go. Just for ease and time, I'm flipping over the brush because it's dual-ended, and I'm just gonna use the other side and go on my lids, around my eyes. It looks like I have foundation on and all of our skin is even, so that is perfect. This is not a product, so it's not included, it's just a spoolie, so it's a tool, but I'm just using it to lightly brush up my brows, and that's all I'm gonna do for brows today. This is what I'm gonna be using for my blush bronzer color. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Dewy Flush, and it's a tinted serum blush. And I like to use this, especially if I'm going to sweat, if I'm going to a workout, because it does feel very serum-like, and it does give you such a subtle flush of color, like a hue, instead of it looking like you're wearing blush. It just like naturally looks like your actual skin is flush. Blends in, it soaks in like a serum. It's so easy to work with, and you just work it into the skin until it starts to dry down. Then you're left with a perfect soft flush of color. And I like to bring this a little bit up on my nose. I kind of like it a little bit more everywhere than a normal blush because it is a flush of color. I feel like it just adds such nice dimension to your skin. These are the new extra lip tinted balms from Bobbi Brown, color Bare Lotus. And I love a lip balm that's hydrating, that's not sticky, that's not tacky. Like, you know, I just like something that looks like I'm wearing chapstick on my lips, like nothing too shiny. And this gives you a perfect satin sheen, and it gives you a nice soft touch of color. There are also the clear ones that I love as well, but just look at my lips now and then after. Like, it's so soft and subtle. So if you're somebody who likes a little bit of life and color on your lips, but you don't like having a lip liner and a lip gloss and it tinted this, tinted that, just get this, and it works as a lip balm. It hydrates, it's not an oil. It's just, it's literally the perfect combination of all lip things. At this point, a couple minutes later after adding your concealer, you should be able to see areas that start to crease. So for me, it's just under the eyes. So I take a dry Q-tip into those areas and onto my lids to just kind of like remove a little bit of that product because those are areas that you don't need a lot. One other place you can add this blush if you want more color, I put on the back of my hand first, go in with my ring finger and just add a little bit onto my lids, because if we only have 5 products, it works so well as an eyeshadow. And the color I'm using is Cherry Flush. The last of the 5 products is mascara, and I'm gonna be using the REFY mascara. It seems to be quite popular right now because of the way this is shaped. I love the fact that I can get up in there and really manipulate each individual lash to lay where I want it to. And if you're watching this video, it's probably because you're interested in less is more and you don't want to have a million products that you need to reach for. You want 5 that do the job. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next part of the series.